So Professor Heideneck, we are very proud to have brought this suitcase of my mother that she brought with her when she left Maribor in 1941. Of course, by chance, this suitcase is here now because my mother always carried it with her to Palestine and then back to Europe, in Geneva, and then in Novara. We know that also she was very proud to know that probably one time this suitcase will be back in Maribor. So we thank you very much about all the effort you did to remember the family, our family, all the family, and all the families of the Jews in Maribor. And so we know that now this suitcase is back home. Voilà. You can open it. It's a real suitcase.
I think it's quite a lot of coin.